Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make stories public on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Click on create a history and choose any picture or videos. Select picture and customize all option, sticker, text, music and effects, and draw option, and tag people. Okay, just click on settings option, tap on privacy, and this option already public, and this option friends and customize. Just tap on public and click on save, and just tap on share to make history public on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.